You're watching Network Marketing Straight Talk Videocast with Lisa Torres for Tell It Like It Is training that creates rockstar status results.
Welcome to episode number 5. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook recruiting to enroll 5+ new members per month. Let me ask you a question. How do you enroll new members into your business using Facebook without feeling like an icky salesperson? The answer is pretty simple. Curiosity posts. The truth is, I've been using curiosity posts in my business on Facebook since 2010. It worked then, and it still works today. I'm going to share with you a few examples of what to do and what not to do. But first, let me share this disclaimer with you. This is only my opinion. But hey, what do I know? I've only enrolled 19 members in my network marketing company and 52 members in one of my affiliate systems in just 30 days. So what do I know? Now here's the proof. You can see here, I sponsored some people. This is from February 4th through the 2nd. I sponsored 10 new members. And then from February 2nd to March 4th, I personally enrolled 9 new customers. And in one of my systems, you can see here 52 members, but you could see it was so many, I just could not fit all of it into it. But you can see here from 11, 15, here's some more, and all the way to 10, 14. So 30 days, 52 new members in my business. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's move over to my screen so I can share with you what not to do and what I do. First, I'm going to share with you what not to do. So let's go over here and we're going to type in a network marketing company. Let's try It Works. We're going to scroll down to the photos. So let's click on the first photo. So you can see here, this person is just blatantly promoting the business, $70 flat irons, $70 blah, 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 $25. It's like a total pitch fest on trying to sell these products. And you can see they don't get a lot of interaction. Now we're going to move down to public posts. You can see here people are posting about It Works. Let's click on this. No likes, no comments, no shares. Here's another one. Comment if interested. It Works products safe for your use while pregnant. Right? No likes, no comments, no shares. It's like a total pitch fest. So here's one that says, think it's just about shakes. This is just a quick breakdown of how many solutions there are to your health. This isn't pitchy, but it's boring, right? It's boring. No comments, no likes, no anything. Here's another one, unique. Okay, so let's click on this one here. I will never stop talking about Unique's new fragrances. No one's liking, no one's commenting, and one little share. So boring. Here's another one. You guys, new collection set just in time for Mother's Day. And blah, 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 blah. Click the link below, blah, blah, blah. 3 likes. So boring and so salesy and pitchy. Let me explain something to you. People want to buy, but they're just not coming to Facebook with their credit card in hand. So Facebook is not a place to do things like this. There's other social media platforms that you can blatantly go out there and promote your products and services. Facebook is not one of them. Now let me share with you some examples of what I do. I believe in sharing stories, getting people excited, and creating curiosity. Now, I'm going to go ahead and read this to you so that you can get an idea of exactly what I mean, and then we'll look at the results. So it says, so 3 weeks ago, I made a decision to build a network marketing business again after my last company went downhill over 3 years ago. I was pretty sure I was overbuilding and would only focus on teaching my marketing, prospecting, and closing and social media techniques that I have learned over the past 10 years that has allowed me to pretty much write my own multiple 6-figure paychecks and teach others to do the same. But something inside of me has been itching so bad to build again. The only problem was I never found anything to get excited about until 3 weeks ago. Our team is totally on fire. This month alone, we have enrolled over 350 members and almost 4,000 customers. Can anyone say crazy? So why has this team produced crazy, insane results this month? Because we KISS. We keep it stupid simple. I don't know what kind of results you're getting in your business, but if you want to take a peek at a crazy simple 3-step process for crushing it crushing it on our team, then let me know in the comments that you want me to KISS you, or shoot me a private message and I'll show it to you. Let's just say duplication has never been so sexy. So you see how this is so much more attractive, so much more sexier than saying, hey guys, I just joined the network marketing business and here's the products and the logos and these are the, what it does for you, and oh my God, I'm so excited, and here it's $500 or $100 or $1,000 to get started. Oh my God, you can, create a multiple 6-figure income in the next 90 days. Like, we don't want to do that. We want to create curiosity by sharing little stories. So you could see here from that, I got 76 likes, 2 shares, 60 comments, and tons of signups. Okay, let's show you another one. So this is when the package arrived, and I said I'm about to release 30 unwanted pounds and help 20 others do the same over the next 90 days with some of the contents in this box. It's just a simple 3-step daily system. Who wants to get a sneak peek? Okay, and you can see here all the likes and all the comments that are people are saying, I want in, yes, let me in, right? There was nothing sales pitchy about this. It was a simple, just very short, right? My goals and what I was about to do, and an invitation for you to join me. That was pretty much it, okay? Or not even to join me, but to take a sneak peek at what it is, so that, instead of me going out there saying, look what's in the box, everyone. Oh my God, look at the product, blah, 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 blah. Nobody wants that. People are not coming to Facebook to buy. They want to buy. They just don't know what they want to buy, but they're not coming to Facebook with their credit card in hand, itching to buy something from you. But if they see your curiosity post, that's a different story. Let's look at another one. Now this one was super short. Who wants to learn the easiest way to make $3,000 per month without recruiting an army? Type reply and I'll send it to you. 86 comments and 86 likes and tons of comments, right? People saying replay, replay, replay. They want the replay. So you see, I never mentioned what it was. I never said how much it was. It was just a little snippet. Who wants to learn the easiest way to make $3,000 a month without recruiting an army, right? Who wouldn't say yes to that, okay? And so that is how simple it can be. Stop making it so complicated and start creating curiosity instead of going out there pitching and throwing up your products and logos and all of that stuff all over your social media. You don't want to do that. So if you want to learn 7 ways to sponsor 10+ new members per month, building relationships on Facebook, I have a special training for you. You can go ahead and grab it at lisatorresspeaks.com/5. It's totally free and you're absolutely going to love it. So if you enjoyed this training, go ahead and like, comment, and share it with your friends, share it with your followers, share it with your team members, and don't forget to go pick up my freebie at lisatorresspeaks.com/5. Or you can click the link right in the description underneath this video or the button underneath this video. But that is where you go to get the freebie for this episode. And I will see you on episode number 6 next week. Bye for now.